Hello everyone, Joseph from Visalaw.ai, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the legal research tool and provide some tips and tricks. So legal research is where you want to be when you need authoritative answers from immigration law, and so this includes statutes, regulations, USCIS policy manuals, practice advisories, and even some AILA material. Right? And so every answer comes with citations and links so you can verify the source. So let's get started. The first step is clicking on legal research here at the top left, then clicking immigration law library. This is where all our documents are housed. So you can actually view the documents here in the library tab on the left hand side. I highly encourage everyone to check them out. For now, let's just click on immigration law library. So immediately you will see your chat history here on the left hand side of the window. Something to know, anything with the gavel here are previous legal research questions. Anything with the locking icon here are previous temporary chats, right, private GBT. And anything with the document here are document Q&A questions. So let's go ahead and get started and ask it a question. Your questions can actually be really simple, right? Like, please give me a list of, what documents are required for 9130, for 945, things of that nature, or they can be a little bit more nuanced, right? So right now I'm asking it to investigate grounds for denial based on the new 2025 family-based immigration guidance, right? So we'll run this prompt, and immediately, in a matter of seconds, you will have a conversational style response, right? You will have a general overview. We'll give it a second so we can finish its answer. So immediately you will see a general overview. This is generally 2 to 3 sentences. You'll have a detailed analysis with your inline citations, right? And then you'll have a conclusion, right? And also you get these follow-up questions, which in my opinion are very underrated, right? And then lastly, you'll get these sort of just the library references as a list. But if we scroll up, you can actually see where it pulled, some of its answers. So fraud and misrepresentation was sourced from this particular document. So you can actually click on the link, right? And then you'll have this PDF viewer up here, and you can see where it pulled the information, and it's also highlighted, right? If you need to take this with you as well, you can download it by clicking here, top right, this download icon, and it saves to your browser downloads, right? And then, so on and so forth. So this is source number 2. View that. You may need to scroll a little bit to find it, but it should be pretty easy. Right, and then of course you get the library references as a list here, and then you also get the text blurbs where you can open and expand these views here. And then also at the bottom right, you can download the conversations and take them with you if you wish, right? So if you click on the cloud icon, you can download it as a Word. And so that is a general overview of the legal research. If you all have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you and have a good day.